Hi, my name is Victoria, and I'm so excited to be in this class. I love history and learning about the past. I believe that learning from the past is the only way we can create a better future. So without further ado, I will get into my presentation. An Unfair Exchange by Victoria Beider. What is history but a fable agreed upon? I think it's important to begin the discussion of the history that occurred between Native Americans and Europeans by saying that a lot of American history is written in such a manner where Native Americans are deemed less competent, as though Europeans brought this civilized world over from Europe. I guess that would depend on what your definition of civilization is. Some may argue that Europeans brought new ideas, art, music, architecture, books, and much more to the New World. Some may argue that they brought lies, deceit, and mass murder. Churchill told us that history is written by the victors, through the eyes of the winners, the conquerors. And when it comes to American history, stories are often viewed through rose-colored glasses. The exchange between the pilgrims and natives may have been friendly at first, for example, but not so great later on. Yet we focus on the story of pleasant exchanges and friendships. We teach kids in school about the origins of Thanksgiving. We celebrate Columbus Day as a national holiday. But was the exchange really that pleasant? Was it really that fair? Let's talk about the Columbian Exchange, which refers to the trading of ideas, diseases, food, animals,